Hello everyone, my name is Lakshika Patyal and I'm a 6 times recommended candidate from Army and Air Force. So, as defense aspirants, we have all gone through this pain of getting a consolidated material of current affairs, for our preparations of written exams or for SSB interview, as current affairs form a very integral and core part of these, be it written or be it interviews. So, we, the team of Officers Mind, have come up with our very first monthly magazine for the month of June named Seamless. Now, this magazine, we have tried to understand the pain because we all have gone through it, and we tried to consolidate the material into this one booklet of 50 to 60 pages, which will give you all the relevant information required for your exam. It will boost your preparation and definitely give a kickstart to it. You can finish it very early, and I think it is a must read. You must buy it, and stay tuned, as it is I'll be discussing about some few pointers on this in this magazine to let you know what is it all about. Now, let me tell you about the table of contents of this magazine. It consists of articles, international current affairs, national news, honors and awards, defense news and inductions, sports section, organizations, very important in news, important days of month, and finally, to sum up your preparation, test your knowledge. This magazine is not only essential for the month of June current affairs, no, it is for every aspect of your preparation, be it static knowledge, be it current affair knowledge. It will cover articles which will help you to overall prepare your exam. So it is very essential that you buy this magazine. And now let me tell you why you need to actually buy this magazine. Because some things, these are the things which I don't think so you find in any other magazine. Altogether summed up in this, like most precise current affairs you will be finding, articles on most discussed events you will be finding, there will be top 50 current affairs quiz questions for you, provides defense updates, and the content is well segregated and well organized. Now, where you can find this magazine? Well, it is available on our official Officers Mind app, which you can download from the Play Store. The link for the same has been given in the description box. Well, keeping in mind the current situation of pandemic and we students all are at home, preparing for exams, we have really kept the cost of this magazine pocket friendly. It is very low and highly affordable. You're getting a quality material in at a very low price. So I think it's one of the must buy. And if you really need to boost your preparation of SSB and your written both simultaneously, I guess this is the answer to your all the problems of current affairs, all the problems of lecture topics, or interviewing, the questions of current affairs interviewing officer might ask. So guys, go to the app, download it, and buy the magazine and boost your preparation of SSB, and go get it and get recommended.